Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another tutorial. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can live stream from your Xbox One to YouTube, all via a capture card. Also, guys, quick shout out to the Like Me Easy podcast. If you enjoy tech podcasts, go check out links in the description. Would appreciate if you guys give it a listen and a follow. Without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. So, guys, this is going to be a method via a capture card. Now, capture cards aren't very expensive these days. You can pick one up off eBay, Mercari, Amazon pretty cheaply. Usually look for under $100 is a good price. Something that does 1080p, at least 30 FPS. So right now I have an Elgato HD60, which you can see right here. And now I'm going to be showing you how you actually set it up with your Xbox One. So if I just come down here to my Xbox One, as you can see, this is the HDMI out. Now, Elgato all runs through HDMI. So this HDMI, this is the standard Xbox One HDMI that came with the console. Once that's plugged in, this cable, follow this cable all the way back up here, is going to plug into the HDMI input. Where is it? Right here. This is the HDMI input, and this is the computer cable. This is some type of USB. I'm not too sure which kind it is. USB-B or something. This cable basically takes your input, follow the cable over here, brings it into your computer, and that input is right now on OBS, as you can see, because it's capturing my screen. And then from there, it has an HDMI out, which Elgato provides another HDMI cable for you. That HDMI will then go to the back of your monitor. So now, as you can see, I have my input here with OBS. I have it under a video capture device. Basically, that's the way OBS can see it as an input. Displays the whole thing in OBS. Now I'm going to go on my computer and show you guys how to actually live stream to YouTube from OBS. Okay guys, so we're currently in OBS, and you can do this with other software programs like XSplit and some stuff like that, but I like OBS the most because it's very intuitive on how it works, and it's very easy to use. So I just enjoy it. So guys, what you want to do basically, obviously I can't really show you my Xbox. If I switch scenes right here, like if I go to, what is it, Give Me an Easy Stream, obviously you can't see my screen anymore, but this is what it would look like. And then I'm just gonna, for all intents and purposes, I'm gonna be just recording my screen so you can actually see where you go on YouTube to figure this out. So you want to make your way over to Chrome or whatever browser. You want to click the Go Live button. Wait for this to load up. Now you can do a new stream or whatnot, but let's just do copy and create for all intents and purposes. Wait for this to load up. I'm not going to create a new stream just because it takes a while. Yada, yada, yada. Just click save. And then from here, obviously I'm not going to show it, but everyone has a unique stream key. You take that stream key, you go and plug it into OBS. You'd click copy right here, and you do this for every live stream. Take that unique stream key, click copy, and this is basically the way OBS can transfer your data into YouTube for you to actually go live and broadcast it to the internet. So you click copy, you go back in OBS, and then go into settings, load up. A little lag here, but whatever. Go to stream, and then you'll have primary YouTube ingest server. You want to paste the stream key that I just showed you right here. Just click apply and then OK. And then from there, just click start streaming, and then you can go back to here, and it'll bring up your Xbox screen right here, and then just click live, and you'll be able to live stream your Xbox One to YouTube. Now I understand there's no built-in feature to do this on Xbox, which is kind of annoying. So usually a capture card is the best way to do it if you want top quality. I have done several tutorials about workarounds for it, but the quality is not usually as good. I would recommend going out and getting a dedicated graphics card for you to actually live stream, because the quality is just much better, and it's better for your viewers to enjoy. So I think it's worth the investment. Guys, if you found this video useful and enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more Xbox tutorials coming in the future. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And by the way, go check out the Life Music Podcast again. Created a new YouTube channel for it. We're going to be uploading our podcast directly there. And then we also upload it on all podcasting networks. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy. Peace out, guys.